A 3.5% slip in NEAR is forecast for tomorrow, based on coin data flow data. To begin, let's check the current market development. NEAR has shown a 0.6% rise in the past 24 hours and is hovering near $1.616. Let's get into what analysts expect today. Tomorrow, coin data flow says we might be looking at $1.56. That's a decrease of 3.5%. Coin price forecast sees NEAR heading downward to $1.61, an estimated loss of 0.4%. 30 rates highlights the possibility of testing $1.63, marking a gain near 0.9%. Another estimate by traders, Union, shows NEAR might climb to $1.64, a gain close to 1.5%. To finish, Gov Capital points to $1.706 by August 10, which is a 5.6% increase. This is the most rewarding forecast we found. We've gone over 5 calls for tomorrow. Let's keep moving. After summarizing the forecasts, let's dive into the details. The forecast range now stands between a decrease of 3.5% and a rise of 5.6%. Looking at the numbers, Gov Capital comes out on top with 5.6% gain in value by tomorrow. Ultimately, you could realize between $4 and $56 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, coin price forecast has delivered the most reliable forecast with an 88.1% chance of success. Out of all the forecasts presented, I've shaped one single consensus overview. From all forecasts combined, NEAR lands close to $1.629. Let's take a deeper dive. The consensus read points to price up by 0.8%. To phrase it clearly, your capital could likewise increase by about 0.8% as part of that scenario. With 1,000 as the base, this might equal a gain of $8. And according to the combined outlook, this consensus view for NEAR comes with an 85.8% probability. Let's briefly shift to the 3-day horizon and see what analysts project. Coin data flow suggests bearish momentum will dominate. Coin price forecast suggests stability will dominate this horizon. 30 rates points to further weakness. Traders Union indicates that price action will stay calm with no major developments ahead. Gov Capital anticipates the price gaining in the coming days. The consensus signals that NEAR will likely hover around present levels. In conclusion, the majority view highlights a bullish short-term outlook for NEAR. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Today, we look at them in detail. By the end of trading, the price was $1.613. With this outcome, only 2 of 5 had the correct forecast. Measured by accuracy, 30 rates ended up the best. Let's take a closer look at the details. The daily range included just one prediction. When it comes to ROI, a few forecasts ended positive, with the top result at 2.3%. Here's the full overview with every analyst's performance side by side. In the final stats, coin price forecast posted -2.3% ROI and $0.047 accuracy. Can you spot the forecasts that held up best? Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for NEAR and other selected assets. SUI shows the strongest forecast at 1.3%, and NEAR ranks below. Here we're looking at NEAR next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability comparison is now live on my website. If you didn't have to dig through dozens of forecasts thanks to this video, hit like, it really helps. Talk to you soon.